Good morning everybody. Welcome back to our channel Sri Education. Today class exercise 10.3. In previous class we learned the indirect proportion. So today class we learn the exercise 10.3. In this exercise direct and indirect proportion problems are there. So now first question. Siri has enough money to buy 5 kgs of potatoes at the price of 8 rupees per kg. How much can she buy for the same amount if the price is increased to 10 rupees for 5 kgs? So here Siri has enough money to buy 5 kgs of the potatoes at the price of 8 rupees. Here each kg is 8 rupees. So here 5 kgs potatoes, 8 5s are 40 rupees is there. So how much can she buy for the same amount? Here 40 rupees amount. So same amount means total 40 rupees. If the price is increased to 10 rupees per kg, suppose here 10 rupees potatoes, each kg is 10 rupees. So she buy how many kgs potatoes? So here cost is increased, so automatically weight here kgs is decreased. So this is the indirect proportion. Here cost is increased means here automatically we purchase the less kgs. So this is the different, one is increased, so another one is decreased. Inverse proportion. So this is the inverse proportion. So here number of kgs of potatoes, number of kgs of potatoes is inversely proportional to their price. So number of kgs of potatoes is inversely proportional to potatoes price, their price. So these two are the inversely proportional. Inversely proportional ratio is, here we write the ratio. Here x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. This is the ratio of inversely proportional. So here x1 and y1. Here x1 is equal to here 5 kgs of potatoes at the price of 8 per kg, 8 rupees per kg. 5 kgs potatoes at the price is 8 rupees per kg. So here x1 equal to here 8 and y1 equal to here 5 kgs. So next here x2 equal to here, if their price is increased to 10 rupees per kg, here 10 rupees per kg, here 8 rupees per kg, here 10 rupees per kg. So x2 equal 10 rupees. So now here we find the y2 value. So we find y2 value, these values substitute in this ratio and find the y2 value. So now here we find the y2 value. So first we write this y2 equal to x1 y1 by x2. This one carry to left hand side. So here divided. Y2 equal to here x1 equal to 8 into y1 equal to 5 by x2 equal to 10 rupees. So here cancel this one, 5 ones are 5 2s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 4 into 1 4. Here 4 is the kgs. Here 5 kgs, 4 kgs. Here each 10 rupees, each kg 10 rupees. He is by the 4 kgs. Here he is by the potatoes in 4 kgs. So we write therefore 4 kgs of potatoes will be purchased at the rate of 10 rupees per kg. At the rate of 10 rupees. He purchased 4 kgs at the rate of 10 rupees per kg. So this is the complete first one answer. Next, second one, a camp has food stock for 500 people for 70 days. If 200 more people join the camp, how long will the stock last? Here a camp has food stock for 500 people for 70 days. Food stock for 500 people for 70 days. So 200 more people join. Join means here already 500 is there. So 5 plus 2, 700. 700 more people, 200 people, more people join. So that means total 700 in the camp. So how long will the stock last? So here members are increased, so days are decreased. Here days are decreased. So these two are the inversely proportional. So here total members are 500 plus 2, 700 members. So here 500 members is needed this stock 70 days. So total here members are increased 700 people. So this complete stock is needed for how many days? We find the days. So these two are the inversely proportional. Here members and days, these two are the inversely proportional. Here total persons and their food stock, these two are the inversely proportional. So inversely proportional. Number of persons is inversely proportional to their food stock. So these two are the inversely proportional. So now here these are inversely proportional. These are inversely proportional. So now here we write the ratio. We write the ratio of inversely proportional. Here x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. So this is the ratio of inversely proportional. So now here we write the x1 equal to here first year 500 people for 70 days. So x1 equal to 500 and y1 equal to 70 days. Here x1 equal to 500 people and y1 equal to 70 days. If 200 more people join the camp, here 200 more people join the camp means if already 500 is there, again join 200. 5 plus 2, 700. So here x2 equal to 700 people. Here 700. 500 plus 200. So 500 plus 200 is equal to 700. So 700 total people. So how long will the stock last? Here we find the y2 value. Now we write the y2 equal to x1 y1 by x2. So here we substitute these values here. X1 equal to 500 into y1 equal to 70 by x2 equal to here 700. So these two zeros get cancelled. 7 1s are 7 10s are. Here 5 into 10 50. So here 50 are the days. Here is this complete sufficient food is needed to 50 days. So therefore the food will be stocked for here 200 plus 500 people, total 700 people. 700 means is equal to here 50 days. This complete sufficient food is needed for 50 days. So 50 days is the final answer. So this is the second one answer. Next, third question. 36 men can do a piece of work in 12 days. In how many days 9 men can do the same work? So here total 36 members are there. So this complete piece of work in 12 days. So how many members do the same work in 9 members? How many days we do the same work? Here 9 members, here 36 members. Here members are decreased, automatically days are increased. Here members are decreased, here automatically working days are decreased. So these two are the inversely proportional. Here 36 men and here days. Number of workers is inversely proportional to number of days. Here number of workers is inversely proportional to number of days. These two are the inversely proportional. So now first we write the ratio here. x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2 is the ratio of inversely proportional to. So here we find the same work. Here 9 members we can do same work in how many days? So here first x1 equal to here 36 means same piece of work in 12 days. So 36 means here y1 equal to 12 days. So now here how many days? 9 means 9 men can do the same work. Here x2 equal to 9. So here y2 we find the y2 value. So now here therefore we write the y2 equal to x1 by 1 by x2. So here we substitute these values. Here x1 equal to 36 into y1 equal to 12 by x2 equal to 9. So 9 1s are 9 4s are 36. 4 into 12. 4 12s are 48. So the same work 9 members complete in 48 days. So here 48 is the days. So complete the same 9 members. 9 mem can do a piece of work in 48 days. In 48 days. So here this is the third one complete answer. Next, fourth question. A tank can be filled by 5 pipes in 80 minutes. How long will it take to fill the tank by 8 pipes of the same size? Here size is same. So here 5 pipes fill in 80 minutes. So here pipes are increased. 8 pipes. So 8 pipes increased. Time is decreased. So here 8 pipes we take how much time? We find the time. Here time is decreased. So these two are the inversely proportional. So here number of pipes and time, these two are the inversely proportional. Number of pipes is inversely proportional to time. Number of pipes is inversely proportional to time. So here we write the ratio x1 y1 equal to x2 y2 is the ratio. So now here we write the x1. Here x1 equal to 5 pipes. Here x2 equal to 80 minutes. x1 is equal to 5 pipes. Here y1 equal to 80 minutes. 80 minutes. Now here x2. x2 is equal to a tank by 8 pipes. Here pipes is increased. 8 pipes. So y2. y2 equal to here. We find the y2. y2 is decreased. So these two are the inversely proportional. So now here we write the y2 equal to x1 y1 by x2. Here y2 equal to, here x1 equal to 5 into y1 equal to 80 by x2. x2 equal to 8. 8 ones are 8 tens are 5 tens are 50. 50 minutes is the time. Here pipes are increased. 5 to 8 increased. So time is 80 to 50 minutes decreased. So these two are the inversely proportional. So here 50 minutes time taken. Here 50 minutes time taken. So this is the fourth one answer. Next, fifth one. Fifth question. A ship can cover a certain distance in 10 hours at the speed of 16 nautical miles per hour. So here certain distance in 10 hours, speed of 16 nautical miles per hour. So by how much should its speed be increased so that it takes only 8 hours. So here speed is decreased, automatically time is increased. So 8 hours to cover the same distance. So here 10 hours speed is 16 nautical mile per hour. So here speed is increased. So automatically time is decreased. Here a nautical mile in a unit of measurement used at sea distance or sea water 1852 meters. Here 1 nautical mile is equal to 1852 meters. This is the measurement of sea water. So now here 10 hours, your speed is 60 nautical mile. So here speed is increased, here 8 hours time taken. So now here we find the speed. Here we find the speed. These two are the inversely proportional. Here finally asking how much should its speed increased. Here how much time increased. Here asking how much time increased. So we find that time. Here speed and distance. These two are the inversely proportional. So speed is inversely proportional to distance. So here ratio is x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. So now here x1, here x1 equal to, here cover a certain distance in 10 hours. 10 hours at the speed of 16 nautical miles. Here x1 equal to, here 10 hours. Here x1 equal to 10 hours. Here y1 equal to 16 nautical miles. So nautical miles per hour. So here x2 equal to, we find the speed, here we find the speed, and y2 is equal to, here by how much should its speed be increased so that it takes only hours to cover the same distance. So here it takes only 8 hours, here 8 hours, here we find the distance, here we find the y2 value. So now here we write y2 equal to, here x1 y1 by x2, here x1 equal to, we write 10, and y1 equal to, we write 16 by 8, x2 equal to 8. So 8 ones are 8 to the 16, here 10 into 2 20, here 20, here y2 equal to 20, is the 20 is the speed equal to 20 nautical mile per hour. Here starting is 16 nautical mile per hour, here 10 hours taken, here speed is 16 nautical mile per hour, here 8 hours taken, here speed is increased. So here 20 nautical mile per hour, here how much, here speed is increased. So here the speed increased, therefore the speed to be increased, here 20 minus 16. So here speed is increased, 20 minus 16 is equal to 4 nautical mile per hour. So this is the increasing speed. So this is the complete solution of fifth one. Next one, sixth. 5 pumps are required to fill a tank in 1.5 hours. How many pumps of the same type are used to fill the tank in half an hour? So here 5 pumps are required to fill the tank in 1.5 hours. So how many pumps of the same type are used to fill the tank in half an hour? Here half an hour means here time is decreasing, so automatically pumps are increased. So these two are the inversely proportional. Here number of pumps and time taken, so these two are the inversely proportional. Number of pumps is inversely proportional to time taken. So these two are the, here number of pumps and time, these two are the inversely proportional. So here we write the ratio is x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. Here x1 equal to 5 pumps, here is x1 equal to 5 pumps, here time y1 equal to, here 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour, here we converted into improper fraction. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 hours. Now here x2 is equal to how many pumps of the same type? Here we find the x2 used to fill the tank in half an hour. Half an hour means here we write the 1 by 2 hour. So this is the time. Now here we find the x2 value. Here we write x2 equal to x1 y1 by y2. So now here x1 equal to, here 5. Substitute the values. Y1 here 3 by 2 by y2 equal to 1 by 2. So now here just these two are denominator is there, get cancelled. 5 3s are 15. Here 15 is the answer. Here 15 pumps are needed. So therefore number of pumps required, number of pumps is required here 15. So here 15 pumps are required. This is the answer. Next, seventh one. If 15 workers can build a wall in 48 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 30 hours? Here 15 workers can build the wall in 48 hours. So here required workers will required in 30 hours. Here 40 hours is decreased in 30 hours. So automatically workers are increased. So these two are the inversely proportional. Here workers and time, these two are the inversely proportional. Now here we find the required workers. Here workers and time, these two are the inversely proportional. So number of workers here number of workers is inversely proportional to time. So these two are the inversely proportional. So here inversely proportional ratio is x1 y1 equal to x2 y2. This is the ratio. Here 15 workers in taken 48 hours. Here x1 equal to 15 workers. Here y1 equal to 48 hours. So now here how many workers? Here we find the x2 value required to do the same work in 30 hours. Here 30 hours. So here time is decreasing. So automatically workers are increased. So here we write x2 equal to, we find the x2 value. That's why here we write the left hand side x2. x2 equal to x1 y1 by y2. So that equal to here x1. x1 equal to 15 into y1. y1 equal to here 48 by y2. y2 equal to 30. So here 30. 15 ones are 15, 2s are 30. Here 2 ones are 2. 2 2s are 2 4s are. Here 24. Here x2 equal to 24. Here x2, what is x2? Workers will be required. Here required workers are 24. So therefore number of workers required is equal to 24. So here 24 workers are required. So this is the complete solution of 7th one. Next, 8th one, a school has 8 periods a day, each of 45 minutes duration. So how long would each period become if the school has 6 periods a day? Here total 8 periods. Here periods are decreases. Here 6 periods. So here each period time, we find the time of each period. So here assuming the number of school hours to be same. So total time is same. So here 8 periods, for each period 45 minutes. So here total 6 periods. Periods are decreasing. So automatically time is increasing. So these two are the inversely proportional. So here time and number of periods, time is inversely proportional to number of periods. Number of periods. These two are the inversely proportional. So same here x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. This is the ratio of inversely proportional. So here a school has 8 periods a day, each of 45 minutes. Here x1 equal to 8. Here 8 periods. Here y1 equal to 45 minutes. So this is the time. So here how long would each period becomes if the school has 6 periods? Here x2 equal to 6 periods. Here we find the each period time. So now here we find the y1 y2 value. Here y2 equal to, we write as usual x1 y1 by x2. So now here x1 equal to 8 into y1 equal to 45 by x2 equal to 6. So here 2 4s are 2 3s are 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. 4 into 15. 4 into 15 equal to here 60 minutes. Here each period is 60 minutes. 4 15 is 60. So each period is 60 minutes after decreasing the 6 periods. So here each period is 60 minutes. Here each period is 60 minutes. This is the 8th one answer. Next, 9th question. If Z varies directly as X and inversely as Y, find the percentage increase in Z due to an increase of 12% in X and A decreases of 20% in Y. So here if Z varies directly as X and inversely as Y, is Z, here Z is decreased automatically, X is decreased. Here Z is inversely proportional to Y. Z is increased, Y is decreased. Z is increased, Y is decreased. So find the percentage increases in Z due to an increases of 12% in X and decreased of 20% in Y. So here X is 12% and decreased of 20% in Y. So here Z, X, Y. Here 3 variables. Compare here 3 variables. One is the directly as X and inversely as Y. So here given that here Z varies directly as X and inversely as Y. So here z varies directly as x and inversely as y. So here z is proportional to, directly proportional to x. This is the equation 1. Next, z is indirectly proportional to y. This is the 2. So these two are the equations. Here x is directly proportional to, z is directly proportional to x and z is indirectly proportional to y. So here we write from 1 and 2. Here write 1 and 2. We write in z is proportional to x by y. So z is proportional to x by y. So that's why we write here z is equal to k into, k is a proportionally constant, here x by y. So z is equal to k into, x by 1. Here k is a constant. So we write k is equal to here this fraction carry to this side. So here yz by x, here k is a constant, proportionally constant. So yz by x. So now here we write therefore here y1 z1 by x1, that equal to y2 z2 by x2. So this is the equation 3. Here this one we write in the ratio. Here y1 z1 by x1, y2 z2 by x2. This is the ratio of these two. So now here we write here, let here x1 equal to here, first let we write here x1 equal to 100 into x2 equal to, we write here 12%, increased by 12%. Increased by 12% means here already we take 100 plus 12, 1, 2 x. So here increasing, because we take 12 increasing, it increase of 12%. So increase of 12%. So we write 112 percentage. Now next here y1 is equal to, we write 100 y. So now here we write y2 equal to 80 y, because here it decreased in 20 in y. So it decreases in 20 percentage. So that's why here 100 minus 20, 80 y. So now we write the from equation 1 these values. Here from 3. Now z2 equal to, we write here y1 z1 by x1, y2 by x2, carry to this side. So we write here x2 by y2. So these values substitute here y1 equal to 100 y into here z1 equal to, here we write the z1 equal to 100 z. Here z1 equal to 100 z. Here we write here z1 equal to 100 z. Next here x2 equal to, we write here x2 equal to here 112 x by here x1 by 1, x1 equal to 100 x into y2 equal to 80 y. So now here simplify this one. Here x get cancelled, y get cancelled. So 100 0 get cancelled. Here 10 into 112 0 by 8 z. Here z is there, we write z by 8. So now here 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32 0. So 140 z is increased in here 140. Already we take z is equal to here 100 means here 40% is increased. So we take 40%, here 140 z. So here z2 equal to 140 z. That means here therefore z is increased 40%. Here increased in 40%. Z is increased in 40%. So this is the complete solution of 9th question. Next 10th one, if x plus 1 men will do the work in x plus 1 days, find the number of days that x plus 2 men can finish the same work. Here x plus 1 men work do in x plus 1 days. Here find the number of days. Here men's are x plus 2. So these two are the inversely proportional. Here number of workers and number of days, these two are the inversely proportional. Number of workers inversely proportional to number of days. Number of days, these two are the inversely proportional. So we write the ratio here, x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. So here we write direct values are, we write the x1, here x1 equal to, here x plus 1 days, here x plus 1 mens and do the work in x plus 1 days, here x plus 1 mens, and y1 equal to here x plus 1 days. So this is the days, this is the men. So here x2 is equal to here number of days, find the number of days, that x plus 2 mens, here x plus 2 mens, here we find the days, here we find the days. So now here y2 equal to, we write y2 equal to x1 y1 by x2. So here we write here x1 equal to x plus 1 into, here y1 equal to x plus 1 by x2 equal to x plus 2. So now here x plus 1 whole square here into x plus 1 into x plus 1. So we write x plus 1 whole square by x plus 2 days. So this is the y2 is equal to this one. So x plus 1 whole square by x plus 2 days. This is the answer of complete solution of 10th one. Here 11th question, given a rectangle with a fixed perimeter of 24 meters. Here fixed perimeter 24 meters. If we increase the length by 1 meter, the width and area will vary accordingly. Use the following table of various to look at the how the width and area vary as the length varies. So what do you observe? Write the observation in your notebook. So here length and width, area. So these three columns. Here first one is here given. Length is 1, width is 11. Here area 1 into 11. Length and product of length and width is area. 1 into 11 equal to 11. So here second one also given. Here 2, width is 10. 2 tens are 20. So area is 20. So here width and area will vary accordingly. So here if we increase the length by 1 meter, here length by we increased 1 meter. So the width and area will vary accordingly. So here length is increased, already here given 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we write the width. Here width is 11, 10, decreased width. Here 9, 8, 7, 6. Here decrease the width. So we find the area. So here length is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Here width is 11, 10. Here decrease 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So now here we write the area is equal to length into width. So multiply these two. 3 9s are 27. Here 8 4s are 32. 5 7s are 35. 6 6 are 36. Here 7 5s are 35. Here 8 4s are 32. So 9 3s are 27. So now we are given a rectangle with a fixed perimeter of 24. So we here fixed perimeter. So we find the perimeter. Here third one perimeter is equal to, here we check it. Here perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. Here 2 into here 3 plus 9. That equal to we write here 2 into 12. 2 into 12 is equal to 24. Is the same fixed perimeter. So we observe next one. Here perimeter of third, fourth one. Here perimeter is equal to 2 into here 2 into 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is equal to we write here 2 into 12. 24. Next one perimeter. Here perimeter equal to 2 into 5 plus 7. So that equal to we write here 2 into 5 plus 7 is the 12. 24. So these are all perimeters are constant. So fixed. So here these are all perimeters are fixed. But length is increased. So width is decreased. So these two are inversely proportional. But area is here 11, 20, 27, 32. Here 32. Next 35, 36, 32, 32, 27. Here area is up and down. So here perimeter is fixed. So this is the 11th one answer. Now complete this exercise. So this complete notes PDF link on description is there. If you are interested, download it.